Hey guys, hats off to you, puppy, because, yeah, she's my puppy alarm clock. And the reason why I say that is because, I usually wake up at 1:30, and anyway, puppy jumped on my bed, and stared at me, and, I was like, oh, hey, pup, and I was like, yep, time for a walk. And it was exactly 1:30, which is so wild because I usually wake up at 1:30 usually, but I think my eyes were still closed, so she was the one that woke me up. She was like, yeah, come on, Dev, let's go. Let's walk. I'll call this one Puppy Alarm Clock because she was like looking at me and stuff, and I was like, okay, Pop, let's do it. I'll walk for today. I was out late last night. I was up at 5:30, walking Sweetie, before I actually went to sleep. So, that was cool. I made a little video of that. So, not too bad. Anyway, guys, just enjoying the day. It's really warm today, but it's a little bit wind, so we're getting a little bit of the wind on our side of the pond because there's been so many storms ever since the coronavirus has been happening. There's been a lot of tornadoes and just a whole lot of, just storms in general, you know? So, that's what's been going on. I think that, yeah, it's been pretty alright, okay-ish, but it's not been great, you know? So many homes have just been taken down, you know? Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be walking Puppy. I'll catch you in a little bit. I gotta still work on my packets. I'm almost done. My mom did day 23, and I'm on 10 now. It's been taking me a while because my hand movement of writing letters and just words are really slow, so I gotta work on that. But my penmanship is on point, dude. It's good. But anyway, I'll catch you in a little bit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. And I got another seed coming up. It's about the end portal at spawn, and it's a really good seed because not only is it the end portal, but it has other surprises next to it too. And I'll mention that in the seed showcase video that I'm going to be doing. There's a random KFC box. That's weird. It's probably for that stray cat because there's been this it's like a white and gray cat, and it's been wandering. I saw it yesterday. It went into the woods over there. But yeah. Anyway, and also I got some little Minecraft clips of villagers. There's a video. I didn't know this until the other day, but you can actually wake up villagers, and I didn't know that. But in this new update of Minecraft, you know, the new Minecraft version, I didn't know you could do that. Now, I knew that you could go to the bed where a villager was sleeping and, you know, just wake him up. But I didn't know there was an actual button, I think it's LT trigger button on Xbox, and it says Wake Villager. I think that's what it says exactly. But yeah, it's pretty wild. I didn't know about that until literally a couple days ago. It's pretty wild. Anyway, I need to quit talking because if I don't, then I'll continue to. So, see you guys later, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.